Hi everybody, I am your Sijo sir. Today's topic BGC 133 British Literature Block 1 Unit 1 William Shakespeare Macbeth. Sources of Macbeth. It is believed that Macbeth is based on Holinshed's The Chronicles of England. Holinshed's The Chronicles of England, Scotland, and Ireland. Other sources are John Major's A History of Great Britain and George Buchanan's History of Scotland. The primary source of Macbeth was Holinshed's Chronicles. Holinshed's Chronicles. Historically, Macbeth was the 85th king of Scotland. 85th king. 85th king of Scotland who ruled Scotland. He killed his predecessors, King Duncan, and was succeeded by the latter son, Malcolm III. He, Macbeth, killed King Duncan and ruled Scotland, and then was succeeded by latter's King Duncan's son, Malcolm III. Holinshed's Chronicles presents Duncan and Macbeth as born to the two daughters of Malcolm, Duncan to Beatrice and Macbeth to Drogheda. The Chronicles describes Macbeth as a valiant gentleman. Chronicles describes Macbeth as a valiant gentleman and one that if he had not been somewhat cruel of nature, might have been thought most worthy the government of a realm. On the other hand, Duncan has been described as of a very mild temperament, soft and gentle of nature. Macbeth becomes king and he sets his whole intention to maintain justice and to punish all enormities and abuses. He is described as the sure defense and buckler of the innocent people. Holinshed accounts 10 peaceful years of reign of 17 years. Holinshed accounts 10 peaceful years of reign of 17 years as the latter part of Macbeth's rule is a period of violence and anarchy. In Holinshed's version, MacDonald is the rebel who managed to persuade people to join him. MacDonald, a rebel. MacDonald first kills his wife and children and then himself. His head is sent to Duncan and the body is then put up on a stairs by Macbeth. Macbeth, entering into the castle by the gates, found the carcass of MacDonald, the dead body of MacDonald, lying dead there amongst the residue of the slain bodies, remnants of the slain bodies, which when he beheld, he caused the head to be cut off and set upon a pole's end, and so sent it as a present to the king. In this historical version, Macbeth and Banquo encounter the witches. Macbeth and Banquo encounter the witches. It fortuned as Macbeth and Banquo journeyed towards a forest where the king then lay, when suddenly in the midst of a lawn, an open grassy area among trees, there met them three women in strange and wild apparel. Three women in strange and wild apparel. One by one, they refer to him as Thane of Glamis, Thane of Cawdor, and finally King of Scotland. They refer to him as Thane of Glamis, Thane of Cawdor, and finally King of Scotland. Thane is a rank or a position who held land from the king. There is also mention of Lady Macbeth as one who was ambitious. Lady Macbeth was ambitious, burning in unquenchable desire to bear the name of a queen, and compelled Macbeth to kill Duncan. Compelled Macbeth to kill the king Duncan. Here, too, Macbeth rules for 10 years, but gradually his insecurity caused him to put his nobles to death. In writing Macbeth, Shakespeare presents a complex amalgam of issues that are tentative and lasting at the same time. Tentative and lasting at the same time. Okay, thank you. I shall give its notes with this episode. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.